It's only been a few weeks since Sora 2 launched, and it's been total chaos ever since. People are using it to create all kinds of hilarious and creative content, going absolutely viral on social media. This is truly the future of content creation. Imagine a world where you can just write a prompt and AI generates a video with the potential to go viral. And with Sora 2, people are already doing exactly that. So let me show you guys something awesome. So I uploaded this image and gave it a very detailed scene-by-scene prompt like this. And here's what I got.
I am sorry you lost your job, man, but I'm always here for you, bro. Anything you need, just ask.
Wow, thanks, man. Actually, can I borrow $50?
That was hilarious, right? Too good and super realistic. And wait, I have more. Next, I uploaded another image and gave it this scene-by-scene timeline prompt. And here's the output.
Mom, what's for lunch?
Meatballs.
Oh, come on, not meatballs again.
Where are you going, son?
I'm going to eat out.
Do you exactly know how unhealthy that is?
Mom made meatballs again.
Let's eat out today, son.
Well,
Wow, this literally looks like a Disney Pixar movie scene, didn't it? The character consistency is on a whole different level, and the prompt adherence is just god tier. I am shocked to discover what you can actually create with AI now. Everything you just saw was generated using Sora 2 and Nano Banana, and today I'll show you step by step how you can create something just like this. Now, if you really want to use Sora 2 to create viral content, you need to move away from making those celebrity videos that everyone else is doing. OpenAI has already started heavily censoring videos containing celebrities or copyrighted characters. So if you're done with all the fun and games, it's time to start using Sora 2 to create real content that can actually earn you real money. The videos I showed you at the beginning are exactly the kind of content that works. Funny videos. Yes, organic funny videos are the best possible way to go viral, and with Sora 2, you can create viral meme videos like the ones I just showed you very easily, especially when promoted properly. And in today's video, I will show you how. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, now there are many ways you can use Sora 2, but today I'll be using Abacus AI because it has all the tools I need in one place, and it's super easy to use. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Before generating videos, let me first show you how you can use Nano Banana to generate the images we'll give to Sora 2. To generate images, click on the image option. Next, if you click here, you'll see it has so many image generators, literally all of them. You can choose whichever you like, but today we'll go with Nano Banana. From here, you can select the number of images to generate. I'll keep it at 1. And then I'll paste this simple prompt. You can keep this option turned on if you want. It basically enhances your prompt. Next, let's change the aspect ratio to this one and then simply hit generate. And here's the output. As you can see, this image looks absolutely stunning. The look and feel are just like a Disney Pixar movie, which is awesome and exactly what I was looking for. Now, as you all know, you can also edit images using Nano Banana, so let's do that. I'll upload the image I just generated, and now let's create an image of the jacket he's wearing. I'll give it this prompt and then simply hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, look at this, folks. You can see how easily it was able to create the image of the jacket. Now, I'll be using this image of the jacket and turning it into a hilarious video using Sora 2. Let's do it. To generate videos, click on the More option and select Video Gen. Here you'll see so many different video generators. Let's go with Sora 2. Next, upload your image from here and give it this prompt. As you can see, I've made the prompt very detailed and scene by scene. If you want this prompt, just comment prompt below and I'll share it with you. After that, simply hit generate. And here's the output.
I am sorry you lost your job, man, but I'm always here for you, bro. Anything you need, I mean anything, just ask.
wow, thanks, man. Actually, can I borrow $50?
Wow, that was super funny, right? It actually looked and sounded like one of those real memes you see on Instagram or TikTok. This is wild. I only gave it an image of a green hoodie and a detailed prompt, and look what it created, a full comedy scene. That's already crazy, but the real magic is in the performance. The guy in the hoodie is comforting his friend, saying, "Anything you need, just ask." Then the friend asks to borrow $50 and he immediately walks away. The comedic timing is perfect. The dialogue matches the lip movements really well. Both characters talk naturally and the voices fit the scene perfectly. And the way he just walks away after offering help, that's visual comedy at its finest. Sora 2 understood the joke and executed it flawlessly. It didn't just animate an image, it created a whole narrative moment with multiple characters and a hilarious payoff. Really impressive stuff. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload my image from here and give it a detailed prompt where I've explained each scene second by second, and then simply hit generate. And here's the output.
Mom, what's for lunch?
Meatballs.
Oh, come on, not meatballs again.
Where are you going, son?
I'm going to eat out.
Do you exactly know how unhealthy that is?
Mom made meatballs again.
Let's eat out today, son.
Well,
Alright, now this is pure genius. One meatball image turned into this. Wow, we're talking multiple locations, a kitchen, outside the house, inside a car, multiple characters. The kid, the mom, the dad. Full conversations with personality and humor. The story flows perfectly. Every character has their own voice and personality. The mom's calm, the kid's frustrated, and the dad goes from concerned to, yeah, let's go. The acting totally sells it. And the scene transitions work beautifully. Kitchen to driveway to inside the car. It all connects smoothly like an actual short film. From a simple picture of meatballs to a full-on comedy short with multiple scenes, characters, dialogue, and story, that's not just animation, that's filmmaking. Sora 2 took a food image and turned it into entertainment. Absolutely wild. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload this simple image of fried chicken, add my prompt, and hit generate. And here's the result.
The chicken is cold, woman! How am I supposed to eat this?
Where are you going, Dad?
I'm gonna get milk, son. I'll be back soon.
Finding milk.
Yep, just one fried chicken image turned into this dramatic short film. The guy's angry about cold chicken, tells his son he's going out to get milk and will be back soon. God knows if he ever will. It's the classic dad going to get milk joke, but Sora 2 turned it into an emotional cinematic moment, multiple characters, different scenes, dialogue that builds tension, and a perfect punchline ending, all from a fried chicken image. The acting works too. The anger, the sadness in the kid's face, the dad's expression, it all sells the story. I'm telling you guys, with a little bit of creativity, you can use Sora 2 to create and even make money online. And remember, it's still AI, so it might not generate the perfect video on your first try. Keep tweaking your prompts and generating until you get the perfect result. So there you have it, folks. Sora 2 unlocked with its full potential. Go try it out right now. The link's in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.